You've slept for 8 hours, maybe even more, but you still feel tired. Why? Hi, this is Dr. Lee from East to Heal. Today, I'd like to explain this common problem from the perspective of traditional Korean medicine. Let's start with an important question. Are you tired because you still want to sleep more, even after a deep, full night of sleep? Or are you tired because you didn't sleep deeply and kept tossing and turning? These are two very different situations, and in Korean medicine, we understand them through two traditional patterns: qi deficiency and blood deficiency. If you feel sleepy and sluggish even after a full night of deep sleep, this may point to qi deficiency, a lack of vital energy. On the other hand, if you've technically slept for 8 hours, but your sleep was shallow or restless, this often relates to blood deficiency, a lack of nourishing support that calms the mind and body. These two patterns are quite similar to how Western medicine talks about autonomic nervous system imbalance. Qi deficiency resembles a state where the parasympathetic system is overly dominant, making it hard to activate and energize the body. Blood deficiency, on the other hand, can resemble sympathetic overactivity, making true rest and recovery difficult. Korean medicine is about restoring balance. When something is lacking, whether energy or nourishment, we support and replenish it. And when balance is restored, many symptoms begin to improve naturally. For qi deficiency, we often use herbal tonics that gently boost energy, such as ginseng or deer antler. In daily life, stimulating foods or drinks like coffee can have a similar, though less balanced, effect. Intense exercise, like sprinting or martial arts, may also temporarily boost energy in these cases. But for blood deficiency, the approach is different. Here, the body needs deeper nourishment, a kind of fuel for the restorative processes. We use herbs like angelica or rehmannia, which you may not have heard of but are deeply nourishing in this tradition. In terms of food, we recommend mild and fresh options like salad, seafood, fruits, and steamed fish rather than spicy or greasy dishes. Gentle activities like walking, yoga, or meditation are also better suited to this state than high-intensity workouts. If you don't have access to herbal medicine, that's okay. You can still reflect on which pattern seems more like your situation and begin adjusting your diet, lifestyle, and daily rhythms accordingly. Of course, qi and blood deficiency are not the only possible explanations. Korean medicine offers many lenses to understand the body, including constitution types, digestive patterns, and even stool quality. And sometimes, what looks like fatigue may involve thyroid dysfunction, metabolic issues, or other medical concerns that should be explored. Western medicine tends to be reductionist, focusing on parts. Korean medicine is holistic, looking at the whole. So while they may overlap, we don't always explain things the same way, and that's okay. I'll share more about this in a future video. Here at East to Heal, we explore Korean medicine perspectives on fatigue, digestion, sleep, and more to help you understand your body in new ways. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more. See you next time.